Seduce Mentors. My name is Ketan and congratulations to those who've done a great job in CAT. Irrespective तुम्हारा क्या percentile है, doesn't matter. You fought for it, you worked hard for it. आज उसका आपको फायदा होगा definitely. Whatever percentile that you have, if you're 90 percentile plus, you can get calls from lot of B schools. Trust me, you can get a call from 25 top 30 B schools in the country. By the way, if you're 95 percentile plus, having a good profile, you stand a great chance to get a call from Blackie, FMS, XLRI, ZAT के through. By the way, because आज आंसर की भी आ चुका है. So and so forth, right? Guys, now the first thing, I understand normalization second slot का बहुत ज़्यादा heavy हो चुका है. मेरा कुछ बच्चा लोग था, we were expecting कि यार ये लोग 99.50 plus तो पक्का जाने वाले हैं. They actually got into 99.35 and 99.40. But again guys, my humble request, do not freak about these things. Nothing can be done as of now. The only thing that you all need to understand is that कि भाई result आ चुका है, stage 1 खत्म हो चुका है. And then stage 2 is going to be even more bloody important because वो आपका GDPI VAT का preparation है. For IIMs is going to be VAT PI preparation. बहुत ज़्यादा बच्चा अच्छा स्कोर लाने के बाद भी कन्वर्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं. आपके फ्रेंड्स होंगे पास्ट में, आपके रिलेटिव्स होंगे पास्ट में जिन्होंने ये आपको बताया होगा कि यार एक अच्छा परसेंटाइल लाने के बाद भी बच्चे का स्कोर नहीं, बच्चे का कन्वर्जन नहीं होता है एक अच्छे स्कोर पे. The reason is the rigorous preparation for VAT PI is indeed required because now you will be competing with the like-minded students or the think tank or the best of the best brains in the country. तो यार आपको वो बहुत ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा. So as a brother I'm telling you, whatever has happened, you got the scorecard, be happy about it. If you're a category student, right, if you get round about 75 plus PWD category or 80 percentile plus ST or 85 plus SC category, you have a great chance to even get into IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta. You're getting my point? So you have a good chance to get a call, but getting call is not the only thing, right? आपने स्टेज 1 पे मेहनत करी, उसका फल आपको मिल गया, रिजल्ट आ गया, अब नॉर्मलाइजेशन को गोली मारो, सोचो भी मत और इसके बारे में सोचना भी मत, इसके बारे में not even 1% because then again you'll go back to that negativity. I don't want that to happen. We had students last year who converted IIM Bangalore at 95. We've got students who converted IIM Ahmedabad at 88 percentile. We've got students who converted IIM Indore at 97 percentile. So guys, there is a great chance for you now. Every single day, I'm going to be helping you for GDPI. By the way, one thing that we can do, if you've been following Seduce Mentors and if you've been seeing my content, you know that it's going to be a clear-cut content, yeah, straightforward, honest content होता है, कोई gas नहीं होता है. If you want me to help you with your GDPI preparation, जहाँ पे your chances of GDPI or VAT PI conversion is going to be close to 100, you can go ahead, fill this form. यहाँ पे fill your details, fill in your percentile, and wait for my team to give you a call back. Now, that's number 1. Number 2 is, you can send us a report card. There are certain scholarships available for those who've got top 10, top 15 B school. info@cat2ctmentors.com is where you can send that particular form, right? Now, once that's done, my team will get in touch with you and we will have a thorough discussion with you. If I'm a C2C ka bacha log, by the way, the students at C2C had done a great job. My team just told me that we have got around about 11 students who scored more than 99.30. We've got around about 57 students who have scored more than 98 percentile. And one student just texted me saying that last year I gave CAD, I got around about 48 percentile. इस बार C2C join करा था अक्टूबर महीने में and I got 93 percentile. So I am super duper excited to actually prepare you all for GDPI. आप लोगों ने मेरे कुछ sample videos भी देखे होंगे. You can understand the quality. But guys, this is going to be the golden opportunity for you all. यार ये CAT से भी ज़्यादा important है. जितना मेहनत तुमने CAT में करा था उससे दुगनी मेहनत तुम्हें करनी है because this is going to be a bloody turning point in your life. So I wish you all the very best. Right? You can go ahead, fill the form. If you're a 90 percentile plus, you can avail GDPI master program for all the top 30-40 B schools in the country. It's right there. For a scholarship, if you believe that you are a 95 percentile plus, and you can get call from ABC, whatever colleges that we have, बिंदास जाके ISP program join करना, content भर भर के होगा, आपका mini MB करके भेजेंगे आपको, and you have seen the success stories last year. Guys, I wish you all the very best. You worked hard. It's your all efforts which are actually getting paid off today. So again, congratulations to you all. But you want to enjoy party today. कल से बेटा आपको काम करना है आपके GDPI पे. Tonight I will be taking a session with my kids. Guys, you will be getting the link for the session on your WhatsApp group if you're a C2C Mentors ka student. There will be a session for non-C2C kids also. If you're enrolling with us, you are more than welcome to join this tonight. It's going to be around about 11 o'clock मेरे ख्याल से. So guys, you can join us. But again, irrespective, wherever you want to study for your GDPI, your VAT, PI, GD, CD is everything now. Focus a lot on that. So guys, stage 1 हो चुका है. Stage 2, now you are like, this much close to your dream B school and your dream profile and so on and so forth, right? So guys, I wish you all the very best. Keep hustling. Do not give up. अच्छा स्कोर आया तो ज़्यादा हमें हवा में भी नहीं चलना है, राइट? और अगर हमारा स्कोर कम आया है हमें डिसअपॉइंट भी नहीं होना है, बिकॉज 88-90% LBB बच्चे लोग ABC फोड़ता है. अगर शिद्दत से मेहनत करोगे तो बेटा तुम्हारा स्कोर कुछ भी हो, तुम GD पे अगर कॉल लेके आते हो, कन्वर्जन के चांसेस भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. ओके, सो विद दैट नोट I take your leave, guys. Congratulations one more time. ऐसी मेहनत करते रहो. I'll be more than happy to hold your hand and walk you through the entire journey of this VAT PI. If you trust my content, we'll be more than happy to have you on board, and we will be giving our 150% this time. Okay, there will be huge panel number of panelists that we're going to be having this time. The panel is going to be huge as far as the GDP I think is concerned. Finance, marketing, operation strategy, हर एक लेवल से लोग आने वाले हैं. We've got students from A, B, C, KIL, FMS, Excel आ रहा है. All these kids will be teaching you, and it's going to be a realistic content. It's going to be a bloody realistic and a great content. You just have to listen to us, understand, and just work upon it. Conversion is guaranteed. So guys, on that note, thank you so very much for watching this video. Congratulations. Kindly share this video with your friend. Hit like and help me to reach out to maximum students, guys. That's it from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Congrats.